Object detection using TensorFlow involves building and training a deep learning model to detect objects in images or videos. TensorFlow provides various pre-trained object detection models that can be fine-tuned for specific use cases. Here are the steps to perform object detection using Python TensorFlow. First step, imports and function definitions. Second step. Using helper functions for downloading images and for visualization. Final step. More images. Perform inference on some additional images with time tracking. In this section, import images by URL and process that images. Congratulations, images process successfully and get results. We can see this algorithm detect automatically objects from images.